a case study for Amazon company. Through this case study, you can easily understand which type of company was there in the beginning time, and then how much he can just in a very short time, how or which type of strategy they adopted and reached to this level. Okay, so Amazon company, the world's largest online retailer, is growing rapidly in a broad range of business under founder and CEO Jeff Bezos. Amazon's rival includes Walmart, that is stand by WMT. Walmart is a also the rival or competitor of Amazon company, and another one is Alibaba Group Holding Limited, that is called Alibaba. Okay, so Walmart and Alibaba is the competitor of Amazon company. But from the starting era of Amazon, Walmart, and Alibaba, today Amazon's reach at the peak level within a very short time. That's why we are. I have just taken the Amazon as a case study. Now, as you know that Amazon is an international e-commerce company offering online retail, computing services, consumer electronics, digital content, as well as other local services such as daily deals and groceries also. And initially, this Amazon company started in 1994 or before that, and at that level, they launched as an online marketplace for books only. So in previous year or in the starting years of this Amazon company, Jeff Bezos decided that we will sell only the books. So they started only the selling of books through online market. So the initial product was books in 1994. Amazon makes money through its retail, subscription, and web services, among other channels. Okay, they also sell that product through the online business. They also make money or earn money through the subscription business also, and then through the web services also they got some business or they earn the money. So these are some different modes through which they can earn money and reach at this peak level. Retail remains Amazon's primary source. Okay, so retail business is its primary source of revenue, with online and physical stores accounting for the biggest share. Okay, they have also the physical stores in other country also. Online market or retail market is there, and apart from this retail market also some physical stores are also there. Amazon ranks as one of the world top companies by market value. Okay, this is very most important thing, that Amazon ranks one of the world's top companies by market value. So the market value of this company is very large. That's why it is called a top one, world's top companies. As of November 6, 2020, Amazon had market cap of 1.6 trillion US dollar in 6 November 2020. The Seattle-based company has since become a multinational conglomerate and one of the most valuable brands worldwide. Okay, so it is a Seattle-based company and has since become a multinational company, and it is one of the most valuable brand through the world. Now in 2019, Amazon's net revenue amounted to 280 billion US dollar. See, in 2019, the net revenue amounted to 280 billion US dollar. Amazon divides its business into three segments, that is North America, International, and AWS. Okay, so they divide its business into three different segments, and that three segment is North America. First one is North America, and internationally, and another one is AWS. AWS is Amazon Web Services. So what is Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Service, that is AWS, is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 175 full-featured services from the data centers globally. Okay, so from these services also they got the money. So Amazon Web Services, international market, and North America market. So these are three different segments, and in that segment they divide their business. They generate revenue from retail sales in North America and the rest of the world, as well as from subscription and export sales for those areas. Okay, so North America is the biggest market for them, and rest of world also, and they also initiated the subscriptions and export sales for particular areas. Retail can further be broken down into online store comprising the bulk of sales and physical stores also. The company-wide online store accounted for the 48.4 billion in sales in 2020 third quarter, or about 50% of net sale. Okay, so this Amazon company earn the profit or earn the business revenue in year of 2020 in the third quarter. Each and every year having the different quarters, and in that particular quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, likewise they calculated their earnings, revenue, sales, and profit. Okay, so in the third quarter of year of 2020, their online stores accounted for 48.4 billion US dollars in sales, or about the 50% of the net sale. So among the net sale, 48.4 billion only accounted for from the online stores, while the physical stores generated 3.8 billion US dollar in sales, or about 4% of the net sale. So among all the percentage of net selling value, they got 48.4 billion US dollar from the online stores only, and from the physical store they got the 3.8 billion US dollar, and that is around 4% of net sales. Okay, so see the power of online shopping. Okay, they just started or initiated in 1990s from only selling of books, and after a certain time the team of Amazon and the CEO and founder of Amazon decide we will just increase our number of product in online market and physical market also. And the competitor of Amazon is, I told you, that Walmart and Alibaba. But the if you look in the total revenue and total profit, the Amazon is one of the world largest big company. Now see in this chart that shows the annual net revenue of Amazon from 2004 to 2019. So in this pic or this image, you can find that on the horizontal axis, year wise description, that is 2004 to 2019, and on the y axis you can find that the net revenue in billion US dollar. Okay, US dollar in billions. So see in 2004 they generated 6.92 US dollar billion US dollar. 2005 increase 8.49, then 10.71, then 2007 14.84, then 19.7. See, this is just increase and increased. Okay, 19.71, 17, 24.51. In 2014, 88.99 billion US dollar. See here, how much increase is that? 88 to 107, then 135, then 177. In 2018, 232. In 2019, 280.52 US dollar in billion. So the revenue, the net revenue of Amazon in 2019. Switch off the microphone. So the revenue of Amazon in 2019, 280 US dollar, 280 billion US dollar. Okay, so see the journey of Amazon from 2004 to 2009. Clearly, speak of your
એને એકલા કહેલું મોઢું છૂટું કરીને ટેન્કર લઈ આવો એટલે ટાઈમ ના બગડે ભરેલું ને તો હજી ભરેલું હશે.
हेलो सर, आपका माइक म्यूट हो गया है.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Now, as you know that in 2000, from 2004 to 2019, the total revenue, net revenue, is excellently increased from 6.92 billion to 280 billion. It is a tremendous growth. So this is happened because of the teamwork, as well as the work or some decisions of team what they made from the Amazon company. So for from this case study, you can conclude that, or you can just take a message that for the successful business, where the founder and the team of whole company must be decides a certain strategy, and on that strategy they must follow some rules, and through that strategy they can obviously reach to the peak level. They also decide at the initial level when they sell the books only. At that time, the team of Amazon decide we must increase our product or number of product must be increased through online market. So after that 2 to 3 years, they just started to increase the number of product through the third party. Means third party will come into that web businesses and just put that product. So the number of product will be increased tremendously, and due to this number of product, number of people would attract. Okay, and due to this number of people will just come on the online market, this company's growth or total revenue will increase and increase. So it is reached to $280 billion in 2019. Now, it is graph also. Amazon growth surged during the pandemic. Okay, so in the previous chart, we have seen the total revenue that is continuously increased up to 15. Okay, it is increased from 2000. But in 2020, okay, so during the pandemic situation also, the company's net growth is increased. See, in 2018 first quarter, it is a $30 billion. Second quarter of 18, around $32 billion US dollar. Quarter 3, it is increased. Quarter 4 in 2018 fourth quarter, it is just increased to around $40 billion. 2019, it is slightly down, but it increased in second quarter of 19, again increase in third quarter of 19, and again it is a increase in fourth quarter of 2019, that is around 42 or 43% total growth. Again in first quarter of 20, due to this pandemic situation, it is slightly down from 41% to 37% or $45 billion US dollar. But from that first quarter, it is again increased in quarter 2 of 2020, that is around $52 billion US dollar and 44 or 45%. Again in third quarter, it is increased to around 46 or 47%, and in 55 or 57 billion US dollar. So see, this is during the pandemic situation, it is just slightly down, but again it is increased. Okay, due to the digital e-commerce business and online business. Amazon profit during 2018 to 20. Okay, this is the Amazon net income in billions of dollars. See, this is the net income during these years. Okay, so from first quarter of 2018, that is 1.6 billion US dollar, that is increase in second quarter, again increase in third quarter, fourth quarter, in quarter 1 2019 also it is increased, that is 3.6 billion dollar. Okay, now at the initial phase of pandemic at the US countries, it is slightly down, but again in the second quarter of 2020, it is increased to 5.2 billion US dollar, and again in third quarter it is increased in 6.3 billion US dollar. So during this pandemic situation also, they got this profit from online business as well as physical store. Now 10 fascinating Amazon statistics, or some from 10 I have just taken 3 or 4 statistics. First is 9 out of 10 consumers price check a product on Amazon. So among these 9 out of 10 people can just go to Amazon and check the price of the product. Okay, so they trusted, the Amazon is trusted for them. Okay, so this is a very big thing. Okay, they most of the means these are the 90%. Okay, the 90% people can go and check the price of the product from the Amazon. Next is Amazon sells more than 12 million products. Okay, see from the one product, that is only books. In the starting era, only they started the Amazon company with the one product, that is the book. And from that one product, they can increase and they sell more than 12 million product on their business. 95 million people have Amazon Prime membership in the US only. Okay, so this from this subscription also they got the profit. Okay, so this is the subscription business. So 95 million people have Amazon Prime membership in the US. More than 50% of all Amazon sales come from third-party sellers. This is the very big thing. As I told you, third-party selling is started in the Amazon team. Third-party selling means any person can come and put that product and they can sell. Some royalty they have to given into the Amazon Amazon company. Okay, so this is the third party seller. Okay, so more than 50% of all Amazon sales come from third party sellers. So it is a very big thing. So without any much more investment, they just allow some third person to sell that product on that web services. So through that web services, the third person sell their product, and the some percentage of means royalty will given to the Amazon. So that is the 50% of sales. So 50% of sales come from the third party only. Okay, so these are some references I have taken to make this slide. That is Statistica, Statista.com and Investopedia.com. Okay, so thank you very much, all of you. Just a minute, I'm just off this. Stop this recording.